everyone, it's Jolie, and today we are going to learn how you can create your very own self-correcting pixel art activities. First thing you are going to do is select all of the cells in your spreadsheet. Now resize the column width to make a square. We can use these cells for our pixel art. Now we need to type in our answer key. I'm going to have my answer key over on the right, but you can have yours anywhere you'd like. I'm going to type in questions and answers. I'm going to resize the column so everything fits. And now I'm going to type in the questions and the answers I would like to appear. Now that I'm finished entering the questions and answers, I can format the text, change the font size, change the font, add a fill color, and even add a border. Okay, it is time to create our pixel art. All you need to do is click on the cells and fill them in with color using the paint bucket. I created a teddy bear. It's really easy to get rid of all the extra rows and columns. I'm going to do that by selecting the information that I would like to keep and using the crop sheet extension. Here I'm going to select Crop to Selection. This will delete all the extra rows and columns. The first thing we are going to do is select the cells that we would like to appear once the students have entered the correct responses. We are going to use conditional formatting to make those cells appear to display the pixel art. Now that you have selected the cells you wish to appear, you are going to enter a custom formula. Start with the equal sign. The first answer is located in U2. We are going to add that absolute value, $U, $2, greater than or less than 12. That means if any answer does not equal 12, we are going to fill it with white paint. So go down to the paint bucket and you are going to select white paint. Now, when an answer that is not 12 is entered, it will remain white. And you're going to continue for problems 2 through 10. Okay, let's test it out and see if it works. It worked. You can also remove the grid lines by going to View, Show Grid Lines. Now you have a fun pixel art activity. You can change the questions up as long as the answers remain the same. But if you want to switch it up yourself, just go ahead and try out conditional formatting. Have fun!